if we are spiking our blood sugar, eating a lot of foods that are very high in sugar, this is going to impact our insulin resistance, and then insulin resistance can shut down ovulation, okay? Which brings us right into PCOS, okay? So polycystic ovarian syndrome. If you have PCOS, I feel like you probably at this point maybe know you have PCOS, and that is what is linked to your irregular or missing ovulations, okay? But this is very tied to insulin resistance. And or excess androgens. You can have insulin resistance without having PCOS. Okay. That's important to know. Okay. But if we do have PCOS and you have insulin resistance, you have elevated testosterone or androgens, what happens is every time you spike your blood sugar, it causes your ovaries to produce more testosterone, which shuts down ovulation. Okay. Obviously, we need ovulation for so many reasons, right? But this is a very fine line for you of bringing down the androgens and supporting the testosterone, supporting the stress. You can also have adrenal PCOS, which is more, you have high DHEA, much higher cortisol, and that is going to be much more on the stress side than the blood sugar side. But both of these are very, very interlaced. So it is so important that we are balancing our blood sugar, because it obviously is impacting ovulation. It obviously is impacting the production of testosterone when you're dealing with PCOS. So important that we're paying attention to this whole picture. You guys, I talk about blood sugar so much because it is so important for how it impacts the different functions in your body.